If you want to create custom feed on BlueSky Social, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go back to your screen, go ahead to your SkyFeed. And before you add your email address and app password, just go ahead and click forwarding right here next to the app password. You're going to see the arrow thing with the square. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be redirected to the app passwords on your BlueSky. Go ahead and click add app password and then name it, and then hit next. And if you want to allow access to your direct messages, go ahead and do that. Hit next, copy the app password, hit done, and basically what you're going to do, go back to the SkyFeed, enter your email address. So I'm going to enter right here my email address, okay? And I'm going to add the app password that I just copied. So I'm going to just go ahead and add the password, right? And I'm going to get back to you. As you can see right here, hit continue. And as you can see, you'll be redirected to the SkyFeed. Basically, how it works is you can just go ahead and click the screwdriver right here icon, and then add the feed name, right? And input for entire network or tags or single user. You can do that on your own time, and select the timeline or the length. So for the last 12 hours or last 24 hours or 30 minutes, depends. And then you're gonna see right here the reg X, which means that you're gonna type the keyword for your content for your custom feed. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and click feed builder, and you're gonna see right here feed preview. After you click the feed builder, click the feed preview, and as you can see, you'll see the results with cats. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.